Toes at the edge. Toes at the edge. At the edge. Both toes. Look at your feet. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Yay! That was a good one. Toes at the edge. Nope, only this edge. Only here. Are we all done? Are we done jumping? Toes at the edge. You gotta wait. Toes at the edge. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that one wasn't so good. You see Dada down there?
So we each say 3 things we admire about the other. I will go first.
Are you gonna jump? Feet at the edge. That was not a very good jump. Feet at the edge. At the edge, honey. 1,